Hi everybody. I haven't made a video in a couple days. I actually haven't been feeling very good. On Saturday, I don't know if I came down with kind of a flu. It's like everything hurt in my body, even though I felt like my hair hurt. So I've been just resting for a few days, and I've got time off work because it's spring break here, so that kind of is convenient. But anyway, just life, I guess. And pretty soon I want to build a frame, a wooden frame, instead of having my it's not plywood, it's chipboard. I'm gonna get a piece of plywood and replace that to put my bed on. But I also want to build a wood frame. But today I'm down at the park because I want to just take everything out in the milk crates and organize really good, because it's if you don't do that almost on a daily basis, I don't mean take everything out like that, but you really gotta organize every day when you're living in such a small space. But I want to take all the crates out because some of them don't even have much in them, and relook at everything and think, since I've had this van, what stuff haven't I used? I mean, I've been downsizing so much, I'm surprised to have many things left in here. But if you don't put it all back and have a spot for it and everything, which I'm kind of working towards, getting more storage, I have some other ideas, it can turn into a rat's nest like really quickly, and then it's kind of, for me, depressing because I need to be organized. I like to be organized. So I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm drinking some ginger drink, so that maybe that'll help me. But I don't feel like building the frame yet. It may be in a couple days because I just don't feel 100%. But at least the sun is attempting to come out today. It was gray, cloudy, dismal all day yesterday, and then all of a sudden it starts raining, which is good to kind of get rid of the snow. There's still lots of snow around here. Anyway, I hope you're all having a good day, and I'll keep you posted on how it looks. It's definitely, when you're living in a vehicle, like a van, even any size van, I'm sure, but a tiny one, organization is key. Less is more. Less stuff, more sanity, for sure. This is the road view of where I am, just in a quiet little area. It's actually over by a high school my daughter used to go to a few years back. Anyway, it's quiet out here. A couple people walking their dogs. I'm just gonna get going on my cleanup project, and I'm hoping the sun just stays on shining today and gets even a little warmer, which is always a nice thing. Well, I have done quite a bit of organizing, and I'm back at Ikea. I want to get possibly, I seen this video today. Can't remember the names of these people. They the husband had really bad back, and he went for water fasting for a week, and then they went to Ikea and got a mattress that looked only like 3 or 4 inches thick, and they said it was really comfortable. I'm gonna go look, because I bought a piece of sponge from a place that does upholstery in that last year, and it's rock hard. And I put like a memory foam on top there, a couple inch memory foam. Still annoying. So I'm gonna try and find something that'll work. I don't really know. It's like you buy it and then maybe you don't like it, and it's not cheap to buy them all the time. So I'm gonna see if I can try this out in the store, see if they got something here. And where I bought the foam, they only gave you a foot by a foot piece of foam. So like at the store, how can you tell what that's like when you're laying on it when it's just on the counter? So that's what I'm up to. Yeah, I'm testing this mattress out at Ikea. Well, everybody is shopping, but I need to be comfortable, and already it feels way more comfortable than what I have. I was feeling kind of shy just to be laying here, but there's a lady in the other area. She's laying there with her hat's over her head, her feet on the ground, and she don't care. And to me, I think this might be the one. Well, I survived that. I bought a mattress and it's all sponge with a cover on top, and if I don't like it, I have a 25-year guarantee. Well, I think by then I'll figure out if I like it or not. But I won't be cutting it down because it's got to be cut down. It's got to be cut down so that it'll fit, but I won't cut it down because it's too wide until I'm sure I'm comfortable, because I can't keep buying these memory foams and then I don't like them or whatever. But this one off the top feels like it's so much better already, so I'm hopeful, and I don't know where I'm going. I'm just not feeling great too much today, but that's just how it goes. Now I'm gonna go find a park, I think. Oh, and look what we have here at the end of the parking lot. Pleasure Way, an older one. That's one kind of vehicle I really was interested in, but they're as rare as hen's teeth to get a hold of, and they're not cheap, but I'm gonna stick with what I got and see how it goes. I think it's probably always just a better idea to get, because I'm pretty easygoing and simple living kind of person. I don't really need all that stuff in a vehicle, so yeah, it's working for now. As I mentioned, I don't like shopping, so that was a little painful, but I got it done. Now I'm gonna just, I think, go and rest somewhere. I just hope y'all are feeling good and having a great day. Okay, my bed in here, the wood is, what is it? 6 foot, yeah, 6'5", 4, can't read. 6'3". Why can I not read that very well? Anyway, a little over 30 inches wide, and it's plenty long enough for me, this bed. I could have went, I guess, a little longer because there's actually some more, a little bit more room down here. But I'm going to get rid of these milk crates, and I'm going to build a wooden frame under there the next few days. But right now I'm going to take that mattress, which was $149 with tax on top of that. So I'm going to let it out of its little plastic cage. Well, here it goes. I'm going to see how I can do this. Anyway, I'm going to let it out. Have to put the camera down, I guess. Well, that was pretty easy, and I'm going to probably have to cut off at least 6 inches off the width here. I'm going to check it out first, though, because there's a money-back guarantee if I don't like it if it's not cut. So I'm going to test it out for a couple nights. For sure I'll know.